The power of dua, how to make your prayers more effective. Dua, or supplication, is a vital act of worship that connects a believer directly with Allah. It is a way to express one's needs, gratitude, fears, and desires while acknowledging one's dependence on the Creator. Making dua reflects humility and trust in Allah's wisdom and mercy. It is not just about asking for things, but also about deepening one's relationship with Allah through sincere communication. To make dua more effective, certain etiquettes should be observed. It is recommended to begin by praising Allah and sending blessings upon the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. One should make dua with humility, sincerity, and a heart full of hope. Raising the hands, facing the Qibla, and making dua in a soft voice are also encouraged. Repeating the dua and showing persistence without losing hope increases the chances of acceptance. There are special times during which duas are more likely to be accepted. These include the last third of the night, while in prostration during prayer, between the call to prayer and the iqama on Fridays, especially just before sunset, and when breaking the fast. Times of hardship, rainfall, and during travel are also considered moments when supplications are answered more readily. Several powerful du'as are found in the Quran and the teachings of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. These include requests for guidance, forgiveness, mercy, and protection from harm. They are often short but carry deep meaning, reflecting complete reliance on Allah. Using these authentic du'as in one's daily life can bring comfort, clarity, and closeness to Allah. From the Sunnah, there are many beautiful and effective du'as for various occasions. For example, the Prophet taught simple yet meaningful supplications for seeking forgiveness, asking for steadfastness in faith, and praying for goodness in this world and the hereafter. Regularly reciting these du'as with understanding makes one more spiritually aware and connected. In the end, the true strength of dua lies in the sincerity of the one who calls upon Allah. A heart filled with trust, patience, and hope is more likely to witness the fruits of dua. Even when the answer is delayed or different from what is expected, the believer knows that Allah's response is always wise and best. Maintaining this trust and continuing to make dua consistently is a sign of strong faith.